Lesson 8 on budgeting provided a solid foundation for understanding its importance in business. I learned that budgeting is a crucial management tool for planning and control. The three key stages of budgeting is preparing, writing, and monitoring were clearly explained. The definition of a budget as a plan for future activities, expressed in financial terms, was insight. Understand the significance of budget is a yardstick for measuring organization performance. The six aims of budgeting were clearly outlined and easily to understand. This lesson enhanced my awareness of this rule of budgeting in strategic decision making. I am to apply this knowledge to improve my personal and financial planning. This lesson on productivity is significantly impact my understanding of its importance in business success. I learned that increasing productivity doesn't always require more employees, but rather smarter work strategy. The concept of output per unit of input resonate with me as a key of metric. Frederick Taylor emphasized working smarter, highlight the importance of efficiency. The question about measuring productivity in the tourism industry were particularly thought-provoking. I now see productivity as a crucial factor in the long-term profitability and competitiveness. This lesson provides a valuable insight into the effective management strategies. I plan to apply this concept to improve my own work process. Chapter 10 illuminated the crucial distinction between efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace. I found the visual representation of the puzzle pieces helpful in understanding how both contribute to organizational success. The lesson emphasized the simplified doing things right. Efficiency isn't enough doing the right things. Effectiveness is equal important. Understanding the interplay between these concepts is a key of achieving organizational goals. The discussion of the key elements is affecting quality provide valuable insight into the process improvement. I realized that the importance of the continuation demonstration of the customer satisfaction and organization process. This lesson improved my understanding of effective management strategy. I intended to apply this knowledge to enhance my own productivity and decision making.